This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use STEPapp. Open your browser, and in the search bar, type kv.stepapp.in. Press enter. Now, enter the 14-digit code provided to you by your school to log in. On this screen, enter your password and proceed to the application. You will now be seeing STEPapp page open on your screen. Click on the browser settings icon, which is 3 vertically stacked dots, on the top right corner of your screen. In the drop-down, select Add to Home Screen. A prompt will appear. Select Add to proceed. Now STEPapp has been added in your home screen, and you can open it and study, play and learn whenever you want. Click on the STEPapp icon on your home screen when you are ready to learn. The app will launch, and you will be taken to the STEPapp Concepts landing page. Scroll down, and you will see the subjects to study: physics, biology, maths. Select any subject. Here we have selected biology, for example. You will see all the chapters in the subject. Click on a chapter. You will see that the chapter content is further divided into smaller topics. When you select a topic, you will enter learning slides for the topic. Take as much time as you need and thoroughly study every slide. There are forward and backward arrow keys in the bottom right and left-hand corners respectively, so you can navigate between learning slides. Again, take as much time as you need. You can go through these slides any number of times. At the top, there are buttons to share the learning slide, center left, and to bookmark the slide for future reference, center right. Once you've studied all the learning slides, it is time to test your knowledge. You will get multiple choice questions on your screen, based on the concepts you have just learnt. If you make a mistake in any question, the correct solution will be displayed, and you will get the choice to either replay the questions, or relearn the concept where the mistake was made. After relearning, you click on Play Now to take all the questions in the topic again. You can also directly play again without going back to the learning slides, by clicking on Replay after a mistake is made. After answering all the questions correctly, you will be taken to the Island Progress Reports. In the Island Progress Reports, your overall score is calculated and displayed as learning progress. Your time and accuracy are also displayed. You can select Mistakes tab here to review the mistakes you made whilst attempting the questions in that topic. You get the chance to relearn the concepts where you made mistakes again, and take a retest again to make your learning perfect. To return to the list of topics, hit the back button on the top left corner of the screen, which you can see as the backwards arrow icon. You will get a prompt asking if you want to exit from the game. Select Yes. You can select other topics to play from the list. Or you can hit the back button again to go back to the previous page. To view the main menu, you can use the menu button on the top right corner. The icon is the 3 stacked horizontal lines. From the menu, you can select Profile and review your details like your name, class, board, language, etc., and also the chapter-wise status of your syllabus completion. From the menu, you can also access the leaderboard, which shows your ranking based on your performance in the app compared to other students. That was the STEPapp tutorial. Thank you for choosing STEPapp as your gamified learning partner.